fourth graders, Marissa and Minato, will tell you a little bit about their experience.
Hi, my name is Minato Gawa. What activities have you done in the STEM lab? Our class has done several STEM lab challenges. Our first challenge was to design, create, and test a race car. We worked in groups of 4 using STEM lab building kits. First, we designed our race car by drawing it on paper. We planned out which pieces we needed and then built our race car. Sometimes we had to make changes to our race car because it was too heavy, too tall, or it fell apart. Next, we tested our design by pushing our race car down ramps to see how far and fast they went. We observed what happened during the tests. Sometimes they fell apart, so we had to go back to the square one. At the end, we asked questions and talked about what we had discovered.
Hi, my name is Marissa Delbraco. On Halloween, we did a pumpkin challenge. We had to build the tallest tower possible using 25 pumpkin candy corns and 25 toothpicks. We drew our designs on paper first. We decided which ideas might work best. We took turns adding pumpkins to the structure. It was a difficult task because the weight of the pumpkins sometimes made our structure collapse. At the end, we had to make changes to our structures to keep them standing. At the end, we measured our towers to see which one was the tallest. We talked about what we had learned and watched a short brain pop video about building the Great Pyramids.
We also worked on building different types of houses using the STEM lab kits. Teams were able to pick the type of house they wanted to build. Some groups used the strategy of having group members build parts of the house separately and then assembling all the parts at the end. Other groups worked on building the house all together. It was really cool to see all of the different strategies and designs.
Another challenge we did was to build a bridge that measured 24 inches long and could hold the weight of 400 people. The people were small, but very heavy. Again, we drew our designs and came up with a strategy to make our bridge as stable as possible. We tested out several bridge designs. Lastly, we talked about how building a strong base was important for keeping up the bridge.
Why do we think that the STEM lab is important? We think that the STEM lab has made us better learners. We have learned how to work together as a team. Group work is not always easy, but you have to work together to be successful. We use a group work rubric to help evaluate our teamwork. STEM lab has also taught us to plan ahead and have a strategy before you start building something. Because the projects are challenging, it teaches us that tasks will not always be easy, but we can be successful if we are persistent.
What advice would we give to students working in the STEM lab? Our advice would be to use teamwork to reach your goal. You may have to do things multiple times to get it right, so think hard and don't give up. You will definitely make mistakes when building something, so don't get frustrated. It is important to remember that there is no right or wrong creation. There may be more than one way to do something, so even if it doesn't work the first few times, just keep trying. Test out your designs and make improvements. Also, one person is not the whole team, so you need to share and listen to everyone's ideas in order to solve problems and make the best design. The most important advice is that you need to work together to make a successful product.